So this is the red and black Nautica Roadie Hardside luggage. This is the small one of the set. I'm gonna just do a little run around it so you can see the insides and some of the features. So I'll start with this pull-up handle here. It's got a nice carbon looking design on the handle. Just gonna press this button. One level, 2 levels. Feels very sturdy. Again, the hard side, the outer casing is very sturdy anyway, but this whole thing just feels solid and well built. Even this handle, it's got a decent amount of resistance. And then you've got these feet on the sides, and we put this back down, turn it on its side, stands up, doesn't rock about like some of my other luggage. And of course we've got this extension area, so typically it will be zipped up and closed like this, but then if you've got too much luggage or you're coming back from holiday and you've overestimated how much space you had, you can just extend it. That's it for the outside. There's not much, there's not any additional compartments on the outside. Just typical hard luggage. What I really love is this little feature here. This is a handle. So when you're holding your luggage, you've got this handle, of course, and then this, so you can pick it up. And baggage handling, don't need to really mess your luggage up trying to maneuver it around. And then inside we've got a typical zip compartment that goes to the back if you want to store anything specific away. And then in here you've got this section that can be zipped up, keeping your things separate from typically your clothes in that side. A little net here, and I like that little detail. And then we've also got this pouch here. You can store your keys and other valuables in. And there's another zip section to the back here. And then of course you've got the strap for holding your clothes down. Typically that's what I use it for. Lastly, the casters. So these are plastic, and then they've got like a rubber outer. Now the only downside I'd say is that it doesn't come with an inbuilt lock. So you have to put your own padlock on. But other than that, it's a really stylish, neat looking piece of luggage.